Actually, this training is highly relevant in enterprise landscape due to the uh, increasing dependence of the cloud services. As we can see that most of the organization trying to migrate their critical data to the cloud, so they face new challenges in to respond their challenges and risks. So I think this certification will give them an opportunity to protect their sensitive data and increase their security architecture, and also implement the best security practices for their organizations. EC Console Cloud Security Engineer stand out because it covers the best practices and or the concepts of various cloud platforms actually, and the hands-on lab experience for the professional it provided, and also the updated course content which they provided to the professional to prepare themselves for the diverse security challenges and issues. So I think it's a valuable certification for the professionals to get the cloud security concepts very easily. Absolutely. Actually, the CCSE training covers all the major cloud platforms environments like AWS, Azure, and GCP, as you said. So I think, and also it's a vendor. It also teaches the vendor neutral concepts of the different cloud environments. So after getting the your hand dirty in this certification and in the practical skills, an individual or the cybersecurity professional would be able to do work or do work in the different cloud environment, whether it's Azure, GCP, or any neutral cloud platform. So I think it's a universal toolkit for the professional for the cloud security. Exactly. Actually, this training covers all the latest tools and techniques in this course, and EC Console make sure that the course content would be up to date with the best security practices of the industries. So after getting this certification and after getting this training, they are able to implement those practices in their job if they are currently applied for the are in the job, and also they are able to implement the best security practices for their organization. So it's a complete roadmap for success for the professionals for cloud security. Yes, I think because I think it's the value and investment for learning the cloud security concept, because instead of focusing only on one cloud platform, it focuses on all three major cloud platforms, as I said earlier: AWS, Azure, and GCP. So when you get this certification, the employer will know that you are able to tackle any sort of cloud environment for them, and they are and you are relevant for that position which they are offering you. After becoming CCSE, actually made a big impact on my career. Actually, my colleagues and my employer appreciate my skills and what I learned and get from this certification. Actually, so as soon as I updated my credential on LinkedIn, most of the recruiters and the recruiting agency reached out at me and offered me the position which I cannot expect before getting this certification. So I think this certification actually boost my career, and it's a major benefit for my future goals.